play last, okay? And this time I have a good hand, so yeah, let's just hope that it he gives me some arc trail targets. Let's just hope that. Here we go. I will give him incentive to play his Embersmith. And hopefully draw a land. Okay, Goldmere, that's fine. I'm wondering if I shatter that. Or do I just offer the trade? Well, I have Arc Trail, so I'm not sure that I bother. Do I shatter that and get in there? Well, I have Arc Trail to 2-for-1 whatever he does. So, I don't really want to trade. But I don't really want to give him acceleration either. I want to buy some time, so I'm going to do that. Wow, just can't buy a land. Maybe he's flooded, who knows? Okay. Yeah, that's getting revoked. Well, Auric Sunchaser's turned into a 3-turn lightning bolt. Asceticism. Okay, well that's going to be a problem. A very big problem if I can't get out something to actually block with. Oh, really? I have nothing to block with. I guess we're just racing. Ugh, if I don't like draw land, I'm just gonna lose, which is annoying. Volshock replica? Yeah, Volshock replica because I can at least block his stupid beast. I don't see any reason to sack that guy to trample damage. Excuse me. I need to kill my Volshock replica with Slice and Twain. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, turn slag, no problem. Basically dead unless I draw land. And even if I do draw land, I'm still pretty much dead to trample. 2-for-1ing me and getting me down to 4. Not the ideal. Well, I think I have to arc trail these two things, whatever he's got. Okay. Chrome Steed or Arc Trail? One card in hand. Oh, he didn't sack anything. Ha, good, okay. Nice little exchange there. He's not windmill slamming it, so obviously nothing really good under there. Or he's trying to decide which of his two bombs he wants. Do I want to trade a Snap Sail Glider for that or a Chrome Steed? I think I want to represent Galvanic Blast. And of course, Newark Replica just bounces with it all day and doesn't actually kill it. He can sack it to the Culling Dais anytime he wants, though. So, I think the play here is probably Newark Replica. Pass the turn. Because if it's a Molder Beast, we are in trouble. Oh, he's not going to sack his clone shell. So maybe there's nothing under there at all. Ah, I see. Getting in for 2 damage with the Tumble Magnet. Yes, no problem. I'm going to die to a clone shell? That's like super embarrassing. Rustic or Glider? Rustic or Glider? I think I like the Rustic for the toughness. Oh, lame! Well, hate losing to Barrage Ogre, but that's just the way it goes sometimes, so let's